this video we are going to have one trick which we can use it by using our railing. For example, if you want to create a lamp or light for your outside, instead of, for example, it will be difficult for you, for example, if you want to array it or if you want to copy paste it and you have, for example, a large location or, for example, landscape, and you want to draft it easily, or even you want to, for example, draft your lamp, for example, in your slope floor or a slope, for example, landscape, we can use railing option by using one trick. It's going to be very easy. Now we are going to do this process. So first we need to go to create one new family, the baluster poster again, family templates, English, and baluster poster. After that we will go, as usual, we just change the unit, meter, and it's going to be very easy. We will go to our level, and here we need to go to the insert tab and load family. So as usual, when you are like downloading your Revit, you are going to have some families such as exterior light, or even if you don't have, for example, you can download it from the websites. And when you download your family, you're just going to choose one of your exterior light and in your insert tab. The next step is to go to create component and choose that light to position it here, because since you inserted from load family here, when you are going to create your component, you are going to have it, or you can directly come here and use the load family here as well. You are going to have this option here as well. So for example, I'm just going to use this slide for my project. The next step is to save your project by your family light number 2. After that, I'm going to load it into my project. Here we go. So now we are going to create one railing, simple railing. The process is easy, but we need to pay attention. We need to go to the S1 because it's our topography level. After that, we are going to railing and choose one of the railing, which, for example, is very simple and we can use and edit it easily. So I'm just going to choose one of the default and I will duplicate it, light. Okay, and now I'm going to draft my location for my light, for example, into my road, somewhere like here. Because in Revit we can use one order, for example, railing, for creating so many things. If we will be smart and creative, we can benefit from these orders very easily. After you draft your lines, we need to close it. So I'm just going to pick my trim arc and I will close my line like this. So we create our path. We'll click OK and we'll go to 3D. You will see we are going to have this railing here. So we need to click and bring it to S1. Here we go. So you might say, what are we going to do with that? It's not even useful. Now we are going to do our editation, and it's already placed in the right position. To see what we are going to do, we are going to choose our railing, edit type. After that, we are going to baluster placement. Here we are going to choose our baluster family, the light number 2, because we already loaded in our project. After that, it's a very important step we need to pay attention here. We are going to choose the top, from top rail element to host. Here you are going to put any number like 1, 2, that's okay, because we don't need to pay attention to this box. Just one number, any number is alright. Here distance, because it's lamp, for example 4 meters from each other, it's a perfect location. And the next step is to come here and turn off all of this. Corner start, we need to put it on none, like that. Apply and okay. The next step is to just go turn off the top rail. Without any error, we are going to have it. Why we don't have any error? Because when you are creating your baluster, here you put your top to host and put your one, for example, any number in top offset. But if it was, for example, instead of host, it was in, for example, top rail, which is off, we cannot see that option, it wouldn't create it in a right situation. So now with this trick, we created our lamp in our project by using that. It's going to be a very fast project. We can use this technique for creating so many things according to our project, to this level. It's a very easy going elements. By using the railing, you can use, for example, as a array or copy paste for your path, for using any sort of element. So this video was about this trick.